What's going on, guys? Mike McIntyre here from All Things Sports, back with a brand new video. And today I want to show you my first mod that I've made on my brand new 2016 Audi A3. Now, it's brand new for me, right? But it is used. I did buy the vehicle used. I want to show you what my first little mod is. It's not a big thing, but it's something that I thought added a lot of, you know, style and look and sportiness to the car overall on the inside. So we're going to go over and we are going to check out what we changed. So let's go over and we'll check it out. The first thing that we changed in here, I'm just gonna make sure I get enough light, there you go, are the pedals down here. Now, I'll just throw up a clip of what they looked like before. They were just sort of black standard pedals, little rubber coverings, but they didn't do enough, in my opinion, to improve the overall look of the car, and they just were too bland for me, too plain. So I always liked these sort of sporty aluminum pedals, and you do get these standard in an S3 or even the RS3. But of course I have the A3 car right here with the S-Line package, so the sport package, but they don't include on this one the aluminum pedal. So I was very, very keen on trying to find a way to get these, and thankfully with, you know, Amazon and everything, you can find pedals, Volkswagen Mark 7 Golf pedals for a really, really cheap amount. And so I did, and I went online and I found a pair, and I got these for you know, about 25 bucks. I have seen them for as much as $50 or even $60, but to be honest, they're all the same. So if you want to, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. If you are interested in getting some of these for yourselves, click that first link down below in the description. It is an affiliate link, so it might help me out with a few extra, you know, cents here and there. It's really not that much, but if you guys are interested in purchasing a pair for yourselves, go check out that link and get them from there. These are going to work on any left-hand drive car, any A3 or S3, even some Golfs, because they are using the same basic pedal setup. So it's very easy to change. The brake pedal, you just simply pull the rubber off of the old one and then basically grip this one around the back of the pedal, and it does hook up there. The accelerator pedal over there is a little bit more it's a little bit more difficult to get on. The best way we found is to work your way from the bottom up. So there are two sort of lips on the side of the pedal that sort of grab around the back. So if you work your way from the bottom and kind of slide it up over top of the pedal, you'll have to play a little bit, but you will eventually get it on. And then of course the last thing over here is the footrest pedal. So I mean, it's not really a pedal at all, actually, it's a footrest like I just said. But yeah, this there's a lot of ways that you could go about it. Some people think that you take this piece off. This is the hood opener. You take this piece off and then you unscrew a couple of screws in here and you can remove this whole piece of plastic. But to be honest, the easiest way is you can pull up, if you unhook the footrest on the side, there's two latches that are hooked in on the side. So if you get these latches unhooked, this plastic piece, without breaking it, don't worry, it is quite durable, you can bend the back part up enough just to slide the two latches underneath, under there. And then of course there's a little groove right here to get a nice flush finish. That's pretty much it. There are some other videos actually showing the installation. It's really not complicated, but it'll add a lot to the overall look of the car and overall feel of the car, and it does do a nice job in really, you know, giving it a nice look. So it ups the feel again. You think it's an S3 or even the RS3 with this look, and for me it was a no-brainer for 25 bucks. Okay, cool. So there we go. That was my first little mod of my A3 S-Line brand new vehicle, the Audi A3. And honestly, like I said before, I think it adds a lot of value to the vehicle for not a lot of money. There are a few things I do want to do, just minor things. I'm not one that's going to go modify everything and put this thing to, you know, 300 horsepower. I'm not going to go crazy, but there are a few little sort of aesthetic things that I'd like to do, and I'll keep those videos coming. So I'm going to do a lot more videos about this, and for all you petrol heads out there, we'll get some new fun car videos going. So that's it for today. Mike McIntyre, All Things Sports, signing off for now. Be sure to leave a like, check the link down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Peace.